All right, so this is day 2 of rate and speed. Yes, okay, so let's do some problems. All right. Water flows into a small pool at a rate of 15 liters per second. Isn't that a pretty fancy liter sign up there, you guys? It's pretty cool. Okay. Find the volume of water that flows into the pool in 10 minutes. Okay, so what you're going to notice about today's problems is that we're probably going to have a rate conversion here and there. Notice that our rate here is 15 liters per second. We would write that like this, 15 liters per second. Okay, let's write it up there just no. But it says find the volume that flows into the pools in 10 minutes. Are we set up to be able to do that right now, guys? No, we're going to have to convert that 15 liters per second to something per minute. Let me just open my notes here really quick, you guys. Okay. So liters is going on the right because that's what we're solving for. So in 1 second, the flow is 15 liters. All right. So let's go ahead and convert this to minutes first. How would I convert 1 second to 1 minute? What would I multiply by? 60? You guys agree? Let's do that. So in 1 minute or 60 seconds, the flow will have filled 900 liters. Okay, there's my. All right, now what do I have to do? My question is, find the volume of water that flows into the pool in 10 minutes. Now what? Exactly. I'm going to multiply by 10 on both sides, and I'm going to get 9,000 liters. It's a lot of water. Yes. So that's not a complicated problem, is it? But it could definitely trip you up if you don't remember that to do that first step of converting liters per second into liters per minute. Bastian. A liter is about the size of my cup of water back there. That's about a liter. Yeah, that's probably a little bit more. So you know what a 2-liter bottle looks like? It's pretty large, right? A 2-liter bottle of soda. So one would be half of that. Okay, let's keep going, guys. All right, grapes sell for 65 cents per 100 grams. So here's a little reminder for you that 100 grams equals 1 kilogram. How much does 1 kilogram of grapes cost? What would you guys recommend we do here? What do you think, Annie? Well, I don't even know if we need to do that quite yet because notice that this is in 100 grams and we're going to need to figure out the cost per kilogram, which is 1,000 grams. Mateo? Uh-huh. Like this. Yep. Okay, so 100 grams is 65 cents. Good. And you're going to multiply each side by 10. Yes, exactly. So we want to get to 1,000 grams. So let's go ahead and multiply each side by 10. Okay, so it's 650 cents per 1,000 grams. All right, well, what is 1,000 grams? It's 1 kilogram. And let's go ahead and convert 650 cents into dollars, since that's kind of, does anybody pay in cents anymore? Like, no, it's weird. All right, so what would that be in dollars? Ashley? $6.50. Great job. Kinsey? Why is there a what? Oh, it's a multiplication sign. It's the dot that means multiply. On a computer, it's not easy to insert that little dot exactly. So I think that's probably what happened is one of us made this PowerPoint. We probably meant to go back. We did it real quickly and then meant to go back and replace that and didn't replace it. Okay. Oh no, I don't want those up there yet. Hold on. We don't have any animations on that next one. Okay, let's do this. Kimmy, I'm moving on. All right, now Grapes still sell for 65 cents per 100 grams. How much does 1.32 kilograms of grapes cost in dollars? Now, this time, you guys, I see a couple conversions that need to be made. Okay, what's going to need to be done here? Ray? No, that's what continue your thought. Okay, so let's start with that. Let's just go ahead and write a grams number up here. What is 1.32 kilograms as grams, Maddie? Okay, good. And we're gonna have to do something there because we're given this rate in cents per 100 grams, and then they're asking us for a final answer in kilograms per dollars, right? Kilograms in dollars. So what else do I need to convert here? Am I gonna be working with? Elijah? Yeah, we're gonna need to do a conversion later to be able to convert from cents to dollars, aren't we? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we know our rate is 100 grams per 65 cents. And the reason I'm saying it that way is because we know what our grams is going to be. We know what our weight is. We don't know how much it's going to cost. So our cost is going on the right. Okay. All right, well, let's go ahead and just use unitary method and take it down to 1 gram. 1 gram is what? What is 1 gram? I'm going to know 1 gram is both sides divided by 100. Okay, so 1 gram costs 65 1/100ths of a cent. 65 1/100ths of a cent. Okay, so we already figured out our kilograms and grams. Now what do we do? How do I go from 1 to 1,320? What do I multiply by? I'm going to multiply by 1,320. Exactly. Oh, what?
Thank you.
Well, let's talk through it. Okay. So we could cross cancel this. We would end up with 858 once we do that work. But you have to remember what we're dealing with. We've only figured it out in cents. So we're going to need to divide by 100 again to give us our dollars. Okay, why don't you guys go ahead and try the next one because it's almost exactly the same. You've got grapes selling for 65 cents per 100 gram, and you want to know how much 650 grams of grapes costs in dollars. Okay. So you should end up with an answer that's under $10 if you estimate. So check your answer once you're all the way done. You may get to the end and decide that you need to do another conversion. Is that, because that's not a reasonable answer, is it, right? But you're real close. You're missing one step. Liam? $4.23, correct. Okay. So what's our first step, Liam?
Basically, 1 gram is 65 100.
Okay, good. So you divided both sides by 100.
65.
Okay.
I got it.
And then you divided by 100. So then did you divide by 100? So then you got 423.15. Okay. Then what?
And I put a dollar.
Then you just put a dollar sign and called it good? So you divided by 100 again. Okay, good. So the key here in this step, you guys, if you ended up with 423.15, that's cents. Okay, you multiplied by 651 cents, not $651. So you then need to divide by 100 over 1, and your final answer would be $4.23. Good job. All right, the next one is number 7 in your textbook. So go ahead and toyo that right now. How you solve that?
So I did a So I know one. 4 is 9 inches. You do 12, 5, 4. Yes, sir.
Great job.
You get 3,000. 304,000. I counted all of the.
And then you did the decimals. Good. So we have 2.54 times 12. And when we multiply with decimals, we line up digits, not decimals. So, and then when we get to our product, then we need to add back in however many decimals were in the factors. And that's what you were talking about. So great job, you. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 3. 4, 5. 2. What did I do here?
You switch.
I switched it. What did I switch?
12 times 2.
Yeah, it's 12 times 2.54. Right there. You can do it. You can do it. We line up digits, not decimals. So I made a math fact error. So let's do it here again. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Well, I know for sure that was different the last time I did it. And that's going to make our difference right there. Yeah. So, and then we count the number of decimal places in the factors and we add it back into our product. So, but great job, Elijah. All right. So 1 foot is 30.48 centimeters. All right. So for your exit ticket, guys, now we're going to express the length of the foot-long sandwich in meters. Okay. So remember that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So I would start out by taking this down to 1 centimeter and then multiplying it. So divide both sides by 100. And then multiply it what you determined in the last slide. And if you took good notes but got the wrong answer, you have that answer. What centimeters are in meters? Liam, 3.35? Oh, you, no, that's incorrect. That's real close. Kala? No. Okay, we multiply. Remember the answer from the last slide was 30.48 centimeters. Gabby?
0.3. 5 centimeters.
No.
Meters?
Oh, you rounded. You said 0.305. Oh, 3.0. Okay. Well, and actually there's an 8 in there. So if we're multiplying, or if we're dividing by 100, all we need to do is move the decimal place, you guys. So yeah, it would just be 0.3048 meters. So that's the right answer. Okay. All right, you guys, go ahead and open up your workbooks to workbook exercise 2. And let's talk about it really quickly, please.